To adjust the large wet saw from a 90-degree to a 45-degree cut, pull out the handle at either end of the saw. Lift the beam carriage to rest at a 45-degree angle. Turn on the power and laser switches. Line up the laser on the material. Lower the blade with the handle on the carriage. Put one hand on the motor base plate to relieve pressure and stabilize the downward action. Lower the blade deep enough to cut through the product, but not too deep. If the blade is too deep, it will cut into the steel beam. Execute the cut by winding the carriage handle in a clockwise direction. When you've finished, turn off the saw and squeegee the water off the sheet. Use the handle to wind the carriage up to the original position.